Hey, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we'll be configuring author name and email. So right now we are in the Bash terminal. I'm using Windows platform. For Mac or Linux users, you need to open a new terminal and Git should be available to you now that you have installed Git. So let's see where we are. So the pwd command will tell us where we are exactly directory wise. So we are in the home directory. So let's create a directory using the mkdir command, which is a make directory command. Let the name of the directory be gitfast. So this will be our root directory for all the projects that we'll be working. So let's move to this directory using the cd command, and let's check it once again. Yes, we are in the gitfast directory. Now, since this is a fresh installation, we are not supposed to have any existing configuration, but nonetheless, we'll check whether we have any existing configuration or not. Let's clear the screen. So we can use in Windows Control L, or you can use the clear command. So the following command will list any existing configuration. Let's press enter. So Git doesn't respond with anything. That means there is no existing configuration. Okay, so let's configure the username right now using the git config command, and we'll type git config -- global user dot name, and I'll type out my name within quotes and press enter. And there it is. Let's check it out. You can press the arrow keys because that will bring out the commands we used earlier. So if we press enter, it shows that the username has been correctly configured. Great. So let's now configure the user email. We'll again use the git config command -- global user dot email, and within quotes my email ID bibash@whitepigsoft.com, closing quotes. Now let's press enter. So the email is supposed to have been configured properly. Let's again retrieve our earlier command using the arrow key git config -- global -- list. Let's press enter, and bingo, the username and the email has been configured properly. Okay, now the question is, where does all this user information get stored? So I think you're pretty much curious to know that. So let's check that out. We'll use a vi command. So vi is an editor, and tilde is a home directory that represents the home directory .git config. So this is the file that exists in the home directory of the user, which contains all the information that you have configured using the git config command. So let's press enter. So here you can see that all the configurations that we made, such as the username and email, has been appropriately stored in the .git config file. So let's exit from the editor. So you press colon and Q to quit. Don't worry about the vi editor commands. We have included a downloadable resource in this course where you'll get a summary of all the basic vi commands.